Assalamualaikum to Dr. Kamarul and Dr. Hong. We are from Group 11 going to present for our product design project, which is Lego Thumb Splint. So my group member is Nurwadah Sufina, along with Nuzul Hakim bin Muhammad Rosli and me, Muhammad Hafiz Azamuddin bin Abdul. Okay, for introduction for this project, is Thumb Splint. Thumb splint is used to support and protect thumb for rehabilitation. We studied that additive manufacturing is the best way to develop and fabricate thumb splint with high complexity of Voronoi pattern, thus adding lock mechanism in order to perform multi-purpose thumb splint. In the orthopedic and rehabilitative field, there is an increasing interest in the design of customized upper extremity orthosis able to accommodate inter-individual anatomy variation of the human body. Prefabricated orthosis and splint may be uncomfortable and unfit, inducing issues such as inflammation, edema strain, and perspiration, and often resulting in significant functional damage or invalidating the device therapeutic operation. High degree of customization can be achieved using additive manufacturing process, which are followed by a reverse engineering procedure to obtain the geometry and construct the orthosis. For the problem statement, the current design of wrist thumb splint contributing poor aesthetic fit and performance. The existing product that is focused on relates to medical device used for a wrist thumb splint to help maintain a hand in a whole size, which means the splint also needs to put on the area that is not needed. The objective of our project of this design is to introduce a wrist thumb splint with better features by prioritize the design elements needed in a product to produce a high quality wrist splint. Hence, the main objective is to design and innovate thumb splint that is used to support and protect broken bone by giving the maximum comfortability and durability for the user.
Thank you, Azamuddin. For detail of standard use, we have six detail of standard use. The first one is comfortable. For the product, we use ABS plastic from 3D printing. This material that we use is producing affording physical comfort, support for thumb, wrist and hand. This comfortable for thumb, wrist and hand being a safe state of physical or mental comfort. The next one is personalized dimension. This product is personal product. It is because it need to scan first for the size of customer hand. We use 3D scanner to generate wrist and thumb model. For easy to use, it comes with adjustable and flexible product. Mean the customer can use this product very well. This thumb wrist splint designed to stabilize the wrist flowing and injury or to relieve artery pain by providing warmth and compression. Next is durability. These products are also fixed in material, which means the structure are not easy to broken and can use in a long term also. It is because this product is made from ABS plastic. It also has high tensile strength and is very resistant to physical impact and chemical corrosion, which allow the finished plastic to withstand heavy use and adverse environmental conditions. For mechanism, We create the new mechanism to combine thumb, wrist and hand. We have 3 parts that need to assembly, such as thumb, wrist and hand. This part has their own function that need to work. With this part, it functions to support thumb and hand to do heavy work without any pain while you use it. With this function, it called as a lock mechanism to assembly 3 parts such as thumb, wrist and hand. Inside a lock, that name cantilever snap fit. For the lightweight, this product is lightweight because we made a hole to reduce the weight. The hole that we made is Voronoi pattern. This hole has high complexity of Voronoi pattern. This is benchmarking for our product. It has a 4 type, and each type has a different brand, functional, and material. This is our cost analysis for our product, which is thumb wrist splint that we produce. The cost to produce the product, which is RM27.30. Part and material we choose is made from durable material, and manufacturing process is using 3D printing method to make a quality product for our customer. The other is normal thing to do because it need labor force to succeed this process of doing this product. This cost is for one product to make it, and the markup price that we took is RM1.20. So total to sell to the customer is RM28.50.
Product development process. The sketches shown the idea generation of the thumb splint started from investigative sketch, explorative sketch, and explanatory sketch. For this slide is investigative sketch that have been investigated for a few of designs to conceptualize ideas and illustrating new thoughts by using thumbnail sketch. A few sketches are designed to make sure it is aligned with the solution for the problem statement. This is the design that we try to create the idea generation for our thumb splint. This is explorative sketches. Explorative sketches, as in this figure, the design have been evaluate the solution to improve the current problem in wrist splint features and performances by exploring the form of the wrist splint from various views. This is same as goes to the next slide. This slide shows that we divided into 3 parts that have multi-purpose function. For part A, B, and C. For part A is for IP joint that focus for IP joint. Part B is focused for MCP joint, and part C is focused on CMC joint. In explanatory sketches, the design has been described and communicated in detail to explain functions, structures, and form of thumb splint. This is roughly how our thumb splint looks like. We put cantilever snap fit in between to connect the parts. This is our 3D image thumb splint. To achieve this 3D image, some methods should be done. After sketching, 3D scanning, we should do 3D scanning by 3D scanner to generate wrist and thumb model. Next, data manipulation and model reconstruction, which is point clouds produced by 3D scanner, can be used directly or otherwise use 3D data manipulation software to repair and analyze the data. Next is 3D modeling. This phase explores the capability of complexity of Voronoi pattern using 3D CAD design. Next is fabrication process. In fabrication process, it is used selective laser sintering or fuse deposition modeling. And finally is 3D printing. The material used is ABS that build up layer by layer to create the 3D part. And this is how the prototype roughly looks like. In a conclusion, thumb splint that we produce may bring a lot of benefits to the users. Furthermore, additive manufacturing offers many benefits, including functional, ergonomic, user fit, and aesthetic improvement in creating our thumb splint. Thank you.